All right, let's get practicing in QuickBooks Online. Grab the link below in the description so that you can follow along. All right, here we are in the QBO Gym. The QBO Gym is a place where we have numerous hands-on exercises that simulate real-life scenarios that you may encounter as a bookkeeper. Every month we come out with new exercises and we break it down for you into 4 different sections. Today we are working in the March Year 1 warm-ups section. At the top here is an animated video to give you a synopsis of what you will be doing for Craig this month. He is our fictitious business owner. Further down is an interactive pre-assessment quiz. Below that are all of the exercises in this section. And at the bottom here is an optional area where after you've completed all of the exercises in this section, we do have some sample posts that you are welcome to use on your LinkedIn to share with everybody what you have learned so far. So let's dive right into today's exercise where we are going to continue processing the money that came in this month, specifically recording deposits. Go ahead and click on this link to have the exercise pulled up for you. I have it over here on the right-hand side, so let's read through our scenario. Craig says he also finally deposited the checks that came in a while ago that you've been bugging him about. What is he referring to? A likely scenario is that the checks previously came in, you or he applied them to the invoices, and then they got put in a drawer and forgotten about until Craig finally got around to depositing them. So to do this exercise, you will need to be in the sample company. If you are not sure how to get into the sample company or get your own free QBOA account, be sure to click on the link below in the description. I have the sample company pulled up here. This is the dashboard and what it will look like when you sign in. So let's go ahead and get started. If you recorded the checks correctly when they came in, you will find these checks in undeposited funds. If Craig had taken the checks to the bank, they would have been deposited together as one lump sum. In that case, you would use one bank deposit transaction to record them. Because Craig used the mobile deposit on his phone, however, they will be recorded at the bank as individual deposits. To match the individual deposits at the bank, you'll want to create individual deposits in QBO. It is always important to do match on your books what it is that you were doing in real life. So even though it would make it much easier to just do one deposit, if it was deposited individually, you need to have individual deposit transactions. So let's go ahead and do that now. First, we are going to click on the plus new button and then select bank deposit. So the plus new button is up here on the top left corner. Go ahead and click on that and then under other, select bank deposit. Now, when this comes up, you will see that there are 2 different payments that were deposited here. So we are going to click on the checkbox next to Pool Cars first. So click on that checkbox right there. And then we're going to, this is all good to go. So we're just going to click on Save and New. So click on that Save and New button. And now that deposit has been saved. And now we have the one remaining payment here. So we're going to do the exact same thing for Freeman Sporting Goods. And by doing it this way, we are showing that the first one, the Cool Cars deposit was made, and then the Freeman Sporting Goods deposit was made. So we're going to once again click on that checkbox next to Freeman Sporting Goods. And then this time we don't have any others to deposit, so we're just going to click on the down arrow next to Save and New and select Save and Close. That is down here on the bottom right corner of the sample company. Click on that and then click on Save and Close. And now you have the individual deposit records that will match the bank records. And that's how you record deposits. And if you have any questions or want to know more about the QBO Gym, just click on the link below in the description. We move through the warm-up section with our next exercise where we practice adding expenses. And I will see you in the next video.